What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you guys a quick video how to install a fresh bloat-free Windows 10 either home version, pro version directly from Microsoft. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website here. It's a Microsoft website, and hit this download tool now. I've already downloaded it, so once you have it downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Once you have it opened up, you should see a screen like this. It'll take a little bit. Just go ahead and click accept. It's gonna do its thing yet again. Alright, the next thing you're gonna want to do is, if you're installing a fresh install on a new hard drive, maybe you built a PC and you want to install Windows 10, go ahead and click this. If you're upgrading your current PC from Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or whatever it is, go ahead and click this button here. But for this video, we're going to install it fresh, bloat free, directly to a brand new hard drive or solid state drive. So click that, click next. Then it's going to ask you, so we're using a different PC. We're going to install this on something else, but it looks like all the settings are correct. English, Windows 10, 64-bit. So we're good there, but if you need a different setup, then, go through it and do what you got to do. Click next. So this is where the USB flash drive comes in. You can use a DVD for this, or you can do what I did and get yourself a little flash drive from wherever you get them. And we're gonna plug this into the computer in a second. So click next. So it says we can't find a USB flash drive, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Alright, now that we plugged that in, click refresh drive list and it finds our removable drive. Click that, click next, getting a few things ready again. Give it some time. And now you'll see the progress. Alright, so once that finishes, just go ahead and click finish. It should say your USB flash drive is ready. Click finish. It's gonna clean up the setup and it closes itself. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, now that you got your Windows 10 USB prepared and ready, what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it in to the PC that we installed the new hard drive in. I always recommend to plug these into the back of the PC, right off of the actual motherboard. Don't go through the front ports. I don't know why, that's just what I prefer. Now that you got your USB plugged in, go ahead and turn on your PC. And it's gonna show up pretty much right away. Some PCs are a bit different, but usually if you plugged it into the back right off the motherboard, it will detect a bootable drive. And since your hard drive is empty, that's what's gonna happen. Now you just go ahead and set it up based on your needs. Click next. Windows install now. Accept the terms and conditions. Next. Custom install Windows only. There's my hard drive, completely fresh. Next. Once that finishes, it's going to restart your PC. Your PC will restart quite a few times during this process. Now we go ahead and set it up again to your needs. For me, it's United States, US keyboard layout, no extra layouts, connect to a network. Click next. And now they do some important stuff. And there you have it. Windows 10 freshly installed.